Hi, and welcome to the Good Side of Crypto. My name is Cheryl Spangler, and I opened a crypto IRA. And in this video, I want to share with you what I learned and the exact steps to do it, why I decided to do it, and kind of let you in on just the process. Okay, so I've been looking into doing this for a while. Also, I'm not being paid. This is not a paid promotion, and I'm not a partner with iTrust. However, I did sign up with their referral link, which you can do too, but it's not a partnership, and I really was just interested in opening up my own. And I did have a very long conversation with an iTrustCapital person and also an individual from each of the others listed on this page, and do your own research. However, the 5 things I learned, number 1 is the fees to transact are 1% at iTrust, which is why you can see on here why I decided to go with them. I wanted to be able to open it up. I wanted it to be fast. I wanted a small amount of money required to open it. And I wanted the trading fees to be as low as possible. When you buy, when you sell, you pay 1%. If you're just on Coinbase with money, you're paying about a 1.5% every time you make a transaction. So I wanted to be able to exchange currencies, whether it's from Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ethereum to Cardano, or vice versa, and not pay taxes on the event, right? Taxable event. Every single time we exchange on a decentralized exchange or go from Coinbase to another one to cash out, whatever it is we're doing, you're changing coins all the time. At least I've done a lot of changing of coins, more than I thought I would. And every single time you do a conversion, you're basically being taxed. And so I wanted to alleviate that and get some money at least diversified into my crypto IRA and start one. So with Generation Z in my household, and my mom, which is over 70 in the household, and then inside the 30 to 55 range, in the houses around me as far as my family, I wanted to find out some answers about all of those things. And when I did, iTrustCapital came out the winner. Number 2 is the custody is with Coinbase Prime. I did create this spreadsheet just for myself, and I thought I would share it, which is the initial funding amount required. Do they have a mobile app? How many cryptocurrencies can you actually buy? What account types can you purchase? Who holds the custody? What kind of insurance policy do they have on those cryptocurrencies in case of a hack or something? And what are the monthly fees and what are the trading fees? And I was very shocked to see some of these high fees, like $500 startup fee, a storage fee, a monthly maintenance fee. Ridiculous. Look at Blockmint. It's crazy. Third is you only takes $2,500 to fund it. And fourth, you can buy increments of gold and silver, which I'm also interested in doing more of. And if you're not aware of that, with iTrustCapital, when you buy gold and silver, you pay $50 per ounce as a fee to purchase gold versus a 1% fee when you purchase crypto, a $2.50 per ounce fee when you buy silver, versus a 1% when you buy crypto. So that's how it's like different as far as the fees go. And the 5th thing I learned is that they are going to have staking options in the future, staking cryptocurrency to earn passive income. So I want my money diversified and in something like this. And I will also keep some in a decentralized wallet, like let's say my Ledger. But I definitely want some in something where I know that the IRS is happy and I'm not taxed on every single event. So let's get into exactly how to open the account. If you're thinking about opening up a crypto IRA, just know that you do have to fund it with cash. It will take at least $2,500 to start an account. Basically, you go to iTrustCapital.com. The link is in the description of this video if you're interested in opening up an IRA, a Roth IRA, a SEP IRA, that's if you're self-employed. So you need to pick a username, your email, a phone number, and a password, and create account. Check your inbox. We sent a welcome email to you. Please check your email and click the link to verify. Here is the info@itrustcapital.com email. And I need to verify the account. Let's do sign in. And the very next screen we get to is keep your account safe, add another authentication method. But it's pretty simple. You're either going to be buying cryptocurrency that they have available and that frequently they add to, or you're going to be buying silver or buying gold. And it is treated identical as a standard IRA, Roth IRA, or SEP IRA. And since I'm not a tax consultant and I don't give financial advice, I don't want to tell you yes or no on whether you meet the requirements in order to contribute a large amount of money to a SEP IRA. And if you make over a certain amount of money, you can't contribute, you don't meet the limits and requirements in order to contribute to a Roth, and you make too much money. So if you can't contribute to a Roth, then you can basically do what's called a backdoor Roth, which is you move your money over to an IRA and then basically you move it over to the Roth. Anyway, so if we click on assets, you can see what they have going on right now. They surprisingly have a lot of altcoins in here like Axie Infinity. And you click on my account, you'll see that I currently have 0 and I will need to fund it with cash. Cannot fund it with cryptocurrency, but then I can purchase cryptocurrency. So if you have crypto that you want to move over to this, you're going to have to sell it and then move it and then put it in here. So the first thing that you do once you create a login and password and you're popped into this showing 0 is that you need to start an application. So click on the Start Application button. And it's going to ask me every single thing personal about myself, which I'm not going to put on this video so everyone can see. But it's going to ask for your first name, last name, date of birth, place of birth, social security, employment status, and kind of go through everything. So let me just go through this. Personal information, you can see up here, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots, meaning 6 pages of information it's going to ask me before it will probably prompt me to fund the account, and I will pop back when I get to that point. So once I finished all the personal information, it asked me to upload my driver's license front, driver's license back. If those didn't match the address that it asked for, it asked me to upload a utility bill. And then it popped me to this, which is select an account type. I'm going to press the box and say next. US dollar contributions only. So I'm going to check that one. And it's asking me if I want the funds available wire, ACH, or check. And I'm probably going to do ACH electronic deposit. Immediately connect to my bank and fund the account. And the source of funds is going to be my account, and the purpose is retirement. I'm not a tax advisor, and I suggest you Google or talk to a tax advisor. But what do you think about this? Are you planning to do this with any of your cryptocurrency, or are you planning to keep them all off onto a decentralized wallet? What are your thoughts? Drop a comment and let me know.
The sun is shining, I knew it would. The world's a playground, I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it